There are a number of differences between Filipino psychology and Western psychology. Western psychology fundamentally is based on a highly individualistic culture. I, me, mine. The Maslow theory of a self-fulfilled self. You climb the ladder, and when you reach there, then you're at the peak of it, then that's self-fulfillment. But we are nowhere near a highly individualistic society. We cannot copy and paste the American hardcore individualism. We are essentially a collectivist society. Analyze the language. I love you. Translate. Ako, mahal, ikaw. Wrong. Mahal kita. The subject, ako, I, is no longer there. It's an assumed subject. Mahal, love, kita. Kita is not you. Kita is you and me together. So already in one word, you have the two of you together. Which brings us to kapwa. So what is kapwa? It is at the core of psychology. It is the shared inner self. Kapwa in English is I, you, and we together in one word. So when you share an inner self, you will have what is called Filipino personality. And to understand this better, let's talk about the concept of loob in Filipino psychology. Loob is a sacred space. So imagine a vase. Merong loob, which is inside the vase. Merong labas, which is outside. When you're on top of the vase, there is mababaw. But if you go deep underneath the vase, that's malalim. Malayo if it's very far, and malapit if it's very near. In Filipino human relationships, mula sa labas, patungo sa loob. Yun ang direksyon. Mula sa distant, naging close. Mula sa malayo, naging malapit. Mula sa mababaw, naging malalim. So ang goal palagi ay makapasok sa loob. Pero ang loob is sacred space, a sacred consciousness. So you'd only want that space to be for those you can truly love and trust. But that is the goal for Filipinos. Not self-actualization, but to be in that sacred space where we can show each other values like kabutihang loob. Kabutihang loob is doing good, doing right. So this is what we believe in Psikolohiyang Pilipino. And so this brings us to our question. Are Filipino Americans and other Filipinos in the diaspora in the labas or the loob? Are Filipino Americans Filipino? There are many ways we can look at this. But here is my answer. I actually interviewed Filipino American students about this. And many of them said that, I don't even know who I am. But if you ask me who I want to be, then I want to be Filipino. But sadly, the Filipinos don't accept us. See, many Filipinos in the Philippines think that we ran away, that we abandoned the Philippines, that we got off when the boat was sinking. And therefore, it seems that Filipinos are saying that Filipino Americans in America, not speaking the language, are not Filipino. Therefore, from the outside looking in, tagalabas, pero gustong-gustong pumasok sa loob. At gustong-gustong pumasok dun sa sacred space. But the big question I think we have to ask is, who do they embody? What is in their heart? What is truly inside your heart? And that is the magic of pakikipagkapwa-tao, bayanihan, kabutihang loob. You exude, may nakita sa iyo, sa iyong pagiging tao, sa iyong pagkatao. May nakita sa iyong mabuting loob, malinis na loob, bayanihan, spirit, kapwa. Ay, pasado to pwede. Pasok ka sa loob.